Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is TechBot, and I hope you guys are enjoying your day so far. So we're gonna jump right into things here. This is a progress update video to let you guys know about the stuff that I've announced this week, plus a little bit more that is going on behind the scenes. Test for Fade Blockia, for one, is going on behind the scenes. Like I said, it's going to be a lot. So my plan is to do the July streams with a lot more streams, including our affiliate stream in the mix. Now, we're not going to just do one stream. We're not going to say one stream the week before and do 4 others down the road. No, we're going to be more consistent for July. We're going to be doing a lot more streams, hopefully early in the mornings, because I want to do that. I want to be more consistent, and I want to get people attentive, basically. So the basic gist is we're going to be doing a change for the week leading into our affiliate stream and after our affiliate stream. We're going to be doing consistency. Now, we got a lot of things that I need to work on first. Obviously, there's a lot of things behind the scenes that are going to happen, and they need to happen in order for everything to work. But in order for things to work out the way I want them to, it's going to take a second. Now, the first one that needs to work out is a collaboration forum. This collaboration forum is going to launch sometime next month, preferably early June, and it's going to be in the description of the video when it launches for the forum. You guys will be able to see that forum, and then you guys will also be able to put in your Twitch and YouTube name or Discord user and Discord username, and you guys will be able to collaborate with me on YouTube and Twitch. Soon to be Kick. I want to add that in there too, and I also want to add TikTok in there too, but I haven't decided that part yet. But those things are something that I want to work on. For right now, because we're inconsistent, we can't really do anything for YouTube or like Twitch better than we are now, because I am out most of the day right now trying to fix this issue, but I can't fix the issue quicker than I want to. But that's just a lot of things behind the scenes going on. So that's just one of the things. So the collaboration forum, early June. Hooray. This is late May at the moment when this video comes out. The second one is a redesigned subs across the board. So members on YouTube and Twitch subscribers are going to be redesigned. I don't have access to memberships, so I don't know how they work yet on YouTube. But on Twitch, there are going to be 3 different tiers. So they're not going to be the basic names for tiers now. I no longer want to do that. That's not a very consistent thing, and there's a lot of things that go into sub benefits that I want people to be able to access and do when they want to support me. And when they do support me, I do thank them, because there is a lot of things that go into supporting me. Obviously, you need to have a sub in order to get some benefits from the streams and everything. You guys can actually access my Discord stream hangout, where we actually do a lot of chatting with everybody, but you also can do that with VIPs. So all of the VIPs in my Twitch chat can also do that too. So it's not a very consistent or very non-spectrum, I should say. It's not a very broad spectrum perk. It's more of, oh, I can join this if I don't have VIP. That's cool and all, but it's not. It's not at all. So the basic gist is we're going to redesign everything that's going on behind the scenes for our subs and renaming them for sure. I have ideas in mind. I'm going to have like mini robots be the tier benefits, basically. Show you guys the little benefits, so you guys can be the big robot, you can be the medium size or the small one. It's up to you guys. It's going to be how I want to do this, because I think it'd be more consistent with our theme. Besides me as the face of the channel, it's going to be a little bit more consistent for when I want to do other things. But we're nowhere near that point, so we're not going to even mention that yet. So like I said, we're going to do also an expansion behind to YouTube, Twitch, Kick, and TikTok. I want to be more consistent first before we do this. So I got a wider schedule fix that I have to do first. We're going to probably do that in August. I don't know the exact time or that exact specific, but I want to take the time to bake everything and have it more consistent for people. I don't want to be inconsistent or go back on my word, basically. I'm trying not to do that, is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get everything set up to be like this. We're going to be doing a lot more stuff than I wanted to do originally, basically, for this stream. But I figure if we're going to be focusing on Twitch and YouTube and Kick and TikTok and also Instacart or Spark and DoorDash, we don't need to be inconsistent. We need to be more consistent. So I'm trying to fix the inconsistencies. But for right now, because we don't make enough money from YouTube or Kick or TikTok or Twitch, we don't have any disposable funds to use towards streams. So we can't really do that right now. Now, there is also a lot of other things that I have to go through and I have to fix. Now, like I said, there's like a bigger focus on being more consistent. So that also means that we're going to be adding a new stream schedule. But we're not going to be adding more videos until August. So August is going to be the month where I do consistent uploads for YouTube. We're just testing the waters at this point. Plus, I have a whole darn... I have a whole ideas. Like, I have a whole big backlog of videos, I should say, that I need to edit. And those are going to come out in August. And I'm going to be more consistent in August. But I have a lot of things that I have to work through first. I have to save up a certain amount of money. And if I don't save up that certain amount of money, I can't do the things that I want to do. So, with that being said, we're also going to be focusing on changing up an entire strategy. So we're going to be renaming our channel point system. I haven't decided between screws or screwdrivers. I want to say I want to go with screws, but I realize people would take it the wrong way. So I want to do screwdrivers instead. But I still think that people would take it the wrong way. I haven't decided between the two. Let me know what you guys think. There's going to be a poll on this video, actually. Let me know what you guys think about screws or screwdrivers for the channel point name, because apparently I cannot decide myself. But like I said, I don't see the current point system name, T-Coins is what I call them right now. I don't see them being smart anymore. I don't see a joke behind them. I didn't see a joke behind them. The last time I just created the name, I just said, screw it, we're going to go with T-Coins because we have this coin for this game, and then we had Fate Blockia coins, which turned out to be a different coin, and not even a coin, it's a bit, it led to a lot of inconsistencies because of design issues and everything for other things. I'm also not going to try and include teasers on my Twitch channel anymore. So we're not going to be doing the teaser part of everything that we do. But we are still affiliated with Poggers. You guys can check them out if you would want to. In the description, you guys can also buy a shaker. I personally use their energy drinks, so it's going to be a lot more accurate. I say this in the description of every video, but apparently people don't look down there all the time, so I apologize in advance. But also in the description, you can join my Discord and subscribe if you're new around here, because I make videos like this every once a week. But yeah, there's that. As soon as Fate Blockia comes back online, that will also be in the description, and you guys can also check out my Twitch channel below in the video. So if you guys want to check out everything and see everything for yourselves, you guys can see what's going on behind the scenes and keep more up to date. But the affiliate stream is something that I've been waiting for a long time. I've been planning this since basically February. So when I decided to... No, I've been planning this since March. I'm sorry. After we had our birthday bash, I really loved the birthday bash. There was a lot of stuff that I wanted to keep going with, but unfortunately, it doesn't look like current projects are going to let me do that. The big promotion that I did last time, but affiliate stream. We're going to have a few giveaways for it. It's going to be about 6 or 7. I want to say 7. We're going to do 7 giveaways for games and have more consistency there. We're going to do giveaways a lot more often, but for right now, I don't really have any giveaways to tell people about. So we're going to be doing those every a few streams, probably once a week, depending on how I want to do this. We're going to be doing a lot more stuff. Now, there is no purchase necessary, obviously, because you can't have. It's not really a giveaway if I don't have that stated. But we're going to be giving away Peak and also Stick Fight. The rest I haven't decided yet because I haven't decided whether I want to do them or not. But on top of that, we're also going to be doing our community night. Now, community night number 8 is 7 months behind the other one. And that was not intentional because at one point before our inconsistency hit and I realized I had to stop streaming and doing YouTube and all of that, like I wanted to, I had an idea to do this at least once a month. So you guys could have more community nights and have more interaction, basically. I wanted to do it once a week at one point, but I decided there wasn't enough people to do that. But being more consistent with community nights is another thing that I wanted to do at the beginning of the year. I decided against it because obviously I had other things going on and I couldn't do it like I wanted it to. And I also couldn't get people to do it for me. So we're also going to do that soon. We're going to get somebody to do events for us too. We're going to hopefully have a lot of things more planned out in the future, I should say. But in terms of consistency, we're going to definitely be more consistent in August. So I want to be perfectly clear that there is a lot of stuff that is going on. Now, there's also the description of this is only half. Because I have a YouTube series, obviously, in August starting. It's called the Minecraft Historic Rewind. I'm going to be playing through alpha all the way to current release. And I haven't seen really anyone do this before in terms of, like, how I'm going to do it. So there's been, like, oh, well, let's do glitches, glitched runs, so we have to abuse a bug. No. That's consistent for one video. One video. One. If people don't like this one, I'm probably going to keep continuing it anyways because I really do want to look back at the previous versions of Minecraft. I haven't been around long enough to be where I am now and still not know about the past of Minecraft. So there's a lot of things that are going to be inconsistent for now because I still have to do testing and I have to do a whole bunch of other things. There's also issues of I don't have the jar that I need for the alpha version that I want to play with. Now, originally, it was supposed to be a collaboration between me, Moon, and Cake. I decided to go single player because after I'd done some research, it was more inconsistent for me to have a, like, multiplayer world. Not have a server for it or anything. It was a very complicated story. The basic G's, and it would require a lot more dedication than I could put my time towards. So, for right now, we got a lot of things that we got to work out. Believe that there is a lot more inconsistencies that I have to work through in order to provide some more information for people. But like I said, there's a lot of things that I need to work on behind the scenes, and that is only one of them. There's a lot more stuff to do with Fate Blackia. I have a whole list of things that we need to do in our progress update. Project progress is what I call it. I've need to redesign the homepage, redo the FAQ system, review our permission lookup system. We're completely redoing our permission system. And then adding our wiki, maps, forms, job section. Technically, we're still requiring a Discord account. Panel. .fateblockyard.net is our server hosting end of our network side. It's going to include the hardware It's included with the hardware update, so it's going to be a bit inconsistent for now, for some things. But like I said, we still have a lot of things planned out for other things that I have to do. And I do want people to see more information as it develops quicker. Plan is to do like a proximity chat, redo permissions, redo the shops, redo upgrades, redo the menu, access the help again in the GUI, actually put it in as GUI. So we're far from done with this update, is what I'm trying to say for Fate Blocky. I have not gotten enough time to do anything that I wanted to do for the most part, because I have a lot of things going on, obviously. So this update is still being baked. I'm not going to say it's done, but I'm going to at least do an alpha test because people want to see an alpha test. But obviously, there's a lot more stuff that I need to do. But anyways, my name has been TechBot. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Description below if you want to watch some other videos. Check out our previous progress updates. I keep this inside of the big playlist of progress videos, so you guys can see all my progress videos from December all the way to now. Or if you want to, check out the Twitch or YouTube stuff some more. I got more videos. In fact, last week we just released our Minecraft Hardcore time-lapse after I fixed my inconsistencies with editing. Surprisingly, I just needed to move the videos to my drive, apparently, like my main drive, instead of my D drive, because apparently my D drive is what's causing the issues, and I keep forgetting that it's failing and causing a lot more inconsistencies than it should. But I still have a lot of stuff on there, so we gotta transfer it all over. But anyways, that's all for me today. My name has been TechBot. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.